Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to show that you saw someone's TikTok. If you want to let others know that you viewed their TikTok content, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Interaction section. Step 7. Tap on Post View. Step 8. Enable Post View History to show that you've viewed someone's TikTok content. By following these steps, you can choose to display that you've seen someone's TikTok, letting them know that you've engaged with their content. Showing that you've viewed someone's TikTok can be a way to support creators and acknowledge their efforts. Thank you for watching, and enjoy engaging with TikTok content by showing that you've seen it.